Malone now with 20 in the game, trailing Olajuwon, the West leader with 21.
And here's Bird looking for, he was trying to direct Jordan to receive a pass.
Oh, great pass from Isaiah Thomas. Couldn't do it off the glass. Malone on the wing. Tipped away by the East. 2:48 on the clock, and Mike Fratello will try to go 1-0 as an all-star coach.
There's a great pass to Ewing.
Magic for three. You don't see that in a regular game.
You think Chuck Daly wouldn't be up off the bench in Detroit if he saw one of those?